Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Libra for the month of September 2020. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of September, so let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Librans, this is your energy this week. That is Seven of Pentacles. So basically, your whole energy will be focused on making some long term plans for being stable monetary, for getting the resources for yourself, for your family, and whatever you are planning are quite in a mature manner, and definitely you are going to get results pretty soon. So moving towards the first week of September, it is the Wheel of Fortune, reverse the Sun and the Page of Wand. So first week of September seems pretty good. There is a lot of happiness, there is abundance, and you are happy wherever you are. There is starting of something new, some new project. You might behave in a new and a more positive way, and this thing is going to go for a while. You'll be in a happy mood, and you will be positive, and you will also be spreading positivity towards the people around you. So before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week of September, the cards here are Page of Pentacles reverse, Six of Wands, and the Fool card. So yeah, there is something new. There is a new path that you will be walking on, and maybe the decision of walking on that path could be little abrupt. You might just take it impulsively. It could be a very sudden and an immediate decision, but that decision is not going to give you good bad results. It is going to be good for you. You will be happy, and you will also feel that people respect you for whatever decision you have taken. You will have a position, people will listen to you, people will come to you for advice, and you will feel happy about the position that you have during the second week of September. Moving towards the third week, it is the King of Cups, the Two of Cups reversed, and the Nine of Swords. So you will be working in a particular direction. You have been working in a particular direction in September. It could be your work, I guess. You are putting too much effort. You are putting up, you are spending a lot of time at your workplace thinking about your job, your projects, how to give it a best shot, and because of all these things, you are definitely doing a very good job. You are doing you are excelling in your career and your job, and your behavior has also become more of a professional kind of a thing. But this could lead to some kind of disagreement, disappointment, or argument with your within your love life or with your partner, because it could be that person is expecting you to spend time with them, and to be more understanding, to have a mutual respect, but unfortunately you are not able to do so. So that could give you a little bit of stress in that week. You might feel that that you are more required at your workplace. You are doing so good, but this other person wants your attention too, so you might get little worried about it, because you don't want to lose the person also. So that could be something to worry about in the third week of September, but professionally it seems a little good. Then moving towards the fourth week of September, that you have Six of Cups, Four of Swords, and Seven of Swords here. So the last week of September, you have to be a little cautious, because someone from your past, or some news, or some person might come which who looks like someone who is a helpful person and who is your friend, but unfortunately that person is not going to do any good to you. Rather, that person might give you stress, that person might backstab you, that person might give you a lot of stress and pain, and it can also hamper your health. So you have to be a little careful with that person, and don't trust the person completely. Don't share your personal stuff or secret stuff with that particular person. First observe and then open up, because people change. Yeah, so okay Librans, still if you have any doubt or you want to go for the personal reading, please write in the comment box. We also do the daily readings. For that you can follow us on Instagram. Bye bye Librans.